Welcome back to Civil Site Engineers. In this video, we will see 9 common mistakes done by site engineers. Before start the video, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Please do subscribe. Ninth mistake, brickwork joint width. Vertical and horizontal joint width should not be more than 12 mm. This leads to cracks in walls and shrinkage of walls. Civil engineers, please ensure joint width should not be more than 12 mm. Eighth mistake, concrete pouring. Concrete properties not allowed to pour more than 1.5 meter height. This leads to segregation of concrete and result less strength in concrete. Please ensure at the time of concrete placing, concrete should be uniform mix. Mistake number 7, concrete compaction. After pouring concrete, it should be compacted well, otherwise it leads to honeycomb in structure. It results degrade the lifespan of the structure. Sixth one, formwork. Watertight centering required to get actual concrete strength and durability. Due to improper supports and insufficient supports, it leads to collapse of structures. See these pictures, how they have done the centering. Fifth one, curing. We have lot of curing methods. Concrete surface should not dry up to 28 days from date of pouring. Initial 7 days curing is very essential. If once water evaporated from inside concrete, it will not get required strength. Curing is art of civil engineering. Fourth one, placement of steel. Placement of steel very important in structures. Steel can take tension load only. Steel should provide in tension zone compulsory. In this picture, they provided at compression zone. In tension zone, there is no steel. It leads to collapse of the structure. Third one, covering. To protect steel from rusting, we need to provide required cover for steel. If we not provided sufficient cover, reinforcement will expose to environment and started rusting. In some years, structure may collapse. Ensure required cover should be provided to steel is essential. Second one, starter or shoe. Before casting column, we made starter or shoe for supporting column centering and also marking exact location of column. Some of them will not take serious of this starter. They will not concern about mixing ratio and compaction. Please remember, this is also part of column only. This also transfer loads. It should be same properties of that column. Last one, plus symbol. Except some structures like staircases, slope roofs, etc. Remaining structures should be horizontal or vertical. Column should be vertical and slabs, beams should be horizontal. More than 90% of structures followed plus symbol only, whether it should be horizontal or vertical. If we maintain this plus symbol in structures, we almost solve many problems.